Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can put your iPad Pro 2021 into DFU mode. So before we can start, we need to connect the iPad to a computer or a MacBook or a Mac computer. So depending on which computer you're connecting to, you will need to use a different cable. This cable that I've got here is USB-C and USB-A. So you can see this end here going to the computer, this end going to an iPad. Now the original cable that comes with the iPad is this cable. It is USB-C and USB-C. So this one here, if you got a MacBook Pro, a newer model, it will allow you to connect directly to the laptop with this connection. However, with an older computer where it does not have the USB-C type port, then you will need to use an older cable. So here I'm going to connect to the computer, and then I'm going to connect it to my iPad. Alright, once that is connected, on your computer you need to open up iTunes. So here, open up iTunes on your computer. Okay, the next step is we need to press on the volume up key and then volume down key and release it. So you need to press and release the key straight away. Volume up, then volume down, then you press and hold onto the power button over here for around 10 to 15 seconds. So you press and hold, and then after that you press and hold onto the volume down key for another 5 seconds, and after that you let go of the power button, and then after around 10 seconds you let go of the volume down button. Now if you do this correctly, you should see on your iTunes it shows the iPad is going into recovery mode, but on the screen it should be black. If the screen is not black and if it shows a cable connections to iTunes, that means you are in recovery mode and you are not in DFU mode. So let's do it now. Okay, so let's begin. Press on volume up, volume down, and then hold onto the power button. So we hold onto the power button until the iPad screen goes black. So press and hold. Okay, it's going black now, so we press on the volume down key and hold for another 5 seconds. Then we let go of the power button and we wait for another 10 seconds. Now you might not do this right the first time. This is because the timing is quite crucial. If you don't get the timing correct, then it will not work. So let's try it again. So as soon as the screen goes black, you want to press on the volume down straight away. Okay, the screen goes black. So press and hold for 5 seconds, then let go of the power button and continue to hold down the volume key for another 10 seconds also. You should hear a sound from iTunes making that clicking noise. Okay, so now it should be in DFU mode now. Okay, so on iTunes it detects an iPad connecting and it's a iPad's software update. So I'm just going to click on stop for now because from my previous connections I was trying to update, but then I canceled the update. So now I think it's trying to resume the update. So here you can see it's a iTunes has detected an iPad in recovery mode. You must restore this iPad before it can be used with iTunes. And here you can see on my iPad, it's kind of like black screen, but it is actually on and in DFU mode. So DFU mode is basically a device firmware update mode. It is a lower level update. So if your iPad is running into issues, something goes wrong with it and you cannot fix it, then in that case you can put your iPad into DFU mode and try to restore it from iTunes, as you can see right here. So if I click on the OK button, and from here I can click for it to update or restore the iPad. If you want to exit DFU mode, what you need to do is press on the volume up, then press on volume down, then press and hold onto the power button to exit DFU mode. And let's try it now. So just continue to hold onto the power button until we have successfully exit DFU mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.